Hello, and welcome to InstaAI Studio. In this quick walkthrough, I'm going to show you how you can create high-quality Instagram content automatically using AI. No design skills, no editing stress, no manual work. Once you log in, this is your main dashboard. On the left side, you'll see all the powerful tools available: Instagram Reels Maker, Drag and Drop Editor, Instagram Post Creator, URL Shortener, Hashtag Generator, Trend Finder, Thumbnail Creator, everything you need to grow your Instagram, all in one place. Let's start with the Instagram Reels Maker. This is where you create viral short videos. Here you can enter your niche, select voice, choose video size, add subtitles, enter your content, or let AI generate it. Everything is fast, simple, and beginner-friendly. Now let's create a reel. I'll enter a niche and a short prompt. Click Submit. And just like that, your Instagram reel is being created automatically.
Stop letting your money sleep. Inflation is a silent tax eating your savings daily. If you aren't investing, you're actively losing value. The secret isn't luck, it's consistency. Start small, keep going, and let compound interest build your wealth.
A small girl steps onto the floor, her eyes sparkling with joy as the music begins. She twirls lightly, her tiny feet moving in perfect rhythm, as if the melody is guiding her every move. Her laughter blends with the beat, and for a moment, the world.
Now let's go to the Drag and Drop Editor. Here you can fully customize your content. Add text, insert images, adjust layouts, edit visuals. Perfect for making your content stand out and look unique. Next is the Instagram Post Creator. Click on Create Instagram Post. Now simply add Instagram post name, enter your prompt or niche, choose design model and expression, select how many designs you want to generate, decide if you want text on the image, choose your design layout, and within seconds, your Instagram post is ready. You can also shorten and track your links using the URL Shortener. Perfect for promotions, campaigns, and tracking clicks easily. Now go to Hashtag Generator. This creates trending hashtags, niche-specific tags, high-reach keywords. So your content reaches more people and gets better visibility. Next is the Trend Finder. This is powerful. With Trend Finder, you can discover viral trends, hot topics, content ideas. So you never run out of content ideas again. Finally, we have Thumbnail Creator. You can create eye-catching thumbnails, high CTR designs, scroll-stopping visuals, designed to boost clicks and engagement instantly. So instead of spending hours creating content, InstaAI Studio does it all for you. Create reels, design posts, find trends, generate hashtags, all from one powerful dashboard. That's the power of InstaAI Studio. Now it's your turn. Log in and start creating viral content.